Hello guys, so today we are starting with a new topic, that is Twitter. So we are going to understand how are we going to market on this platform called Twitter. So firstly, when you are on Twitter, you need to create an account on Twitter. So today we will start the process of how to create an account on Twitter. So the basic step today we are going to do is create an account on Twitter. Now guys, you will see two options on Twitter, that is sign up and login. Sign up is for those who are going to create an account for the first time, okay? Means they want to create a fresh new account. And login in is when you have an account and you need to join, you need to log in into your account. So when you want to create a fresh new account, you are going to sign up, and when you want to log in into your account, you are going to click on login. For example, now I'll show you how to sign up to your account, means how to create an account on LinkedIn. So firstly, I'll click on sign up. Then I'll put the name, that is Big Wing. Then the phone number, no, I'll go with email ID. I'll use email ID instead. I'll add my email ID. Okay, so I have added my email ID here. Now I need to add date of birth, day and year. So let me add and the year. Okay, so when you are done with this, click on next. See what you need to do. If you want to create a fresh new account, then click on sign up. If you want to log into your account, then click on login. Then to create your account, add the name, add the email ID and the date of birth. See, this will not be shown publicly. Confirm your own age even if the account is for a business, a pet or something else. You need to add your date of birth. Click on next. Track where you see Twitter content across the web. You can click on next. Twitter uses this data to personalize your experience. Sign up. You will get a verification code on your email ID. So let us just go on to your email ID. So we have got a code 215108. 215108. So let us click on next. Password, you need to add your password here. Click on next. Pick a profile picture. You can skip it for now. Later we are going to understand how to create a profile. So for now we will skip this option. Describe yourself. We are also going to do this. Skip for now. If you want to upload contacts, let us not do it now. So not now. Let us click on the language which we prefer, that is English. What are you interested in? Select some topics you are interested in to help personalize your Twitter experience, starting with finding people to follow. That is, for example, digital marketing. If you get option. Yeah. We can add online education. Yeah. Click on next. If you want to add some more things, you can just add it out, or you can just skip this option. Okay. If you want to follow, you can follow all these people. Click on next. Skip for now. Okay. So now can you see your Twitter account has been created. So now you are done with creating a Twitter account. So again I'll repeat guys, when you want to create an account on Twitter, you need to go on twitter.com. You'll find two options, that is sign up and login. If you want to create a fresh new account, you need to click upon sign up. You need to add your name, the email ID and date of birth. Then you want to add the verification code. Then you can add your password, then the language, the interested things, if you want to find the contacts, profiles. Now for now we are going to learn how to create a profile later on. So I've skipped that option. You can do that also. Then what you can do is your account has been created. Then you would be landed upon this home page which you can see right in front of you. So now we have created our Twitter account.
Don't forget to subscribe and press bell icon for new updated videos. Like and share videos with your friends.